Guys, what is happening to Manchester United? What is wrong with Manchester United? Now things are getting out of hands. Things are getting out of hands. That showed that the conference league that we won, and they are saying that, oh, it's conference. United cannot win the conference league. United cannot beat Panathinaikos. The team that will beat in the final, Real Betis, United cannot beat them. What show that United can beat Real Betis if they can't beat Grimsby Town? What a game, guys. I can't believe this. I can't believe this. This is a big disappointment to Manchester United. A big shame. Shambolic result. I can't explain this in world football. How on earth Grimsby Town beating Manchester United? A whole Manchester United. One player in Manchester United wages salary can pay all Grimsby players. At the end of the day, they beat United. This summer, United spent more than 200 million on players, on attackers, and they can't score. And can you believe that those who miss the penalty is from their new signing? They are Mbomo and they are Kunuha. They miss the penalty. I can't see. I will not even say anything for Amorim now. Let's come to United players. As a footballers, we know that in football there is levels. Even if your manager is not good, no matter how your manager is tactical bankrupt, this kind of games as a players, go and play because of your name, because of your dignity. Do whatever you can do to win this kind of games as players. The players disappointed. They disappointed Manchester United fans. I would also say they disappointed the manager because the manager also included. How on earth you consider 2 goals against Grimsby Town, against League 2 team Grimsby Town? First half, United considered the first 30 minutes, not even first half, the first 30 minutes, they consider all the 2 goals from Grimsby Town. I can't believe this. So it means that if this game were to even be Premier League team, United will not even score a goal. Yes, it means that this game will not even go to a penalty. Guys, what is happening to Manchester United? What is wrong with Manchester United? Now things are getting out of hands. Things are getting out of hands. The players were shambolic in this game, the same as their manager. A manager managing, coaching a big team like United, and you don't have a tactics in which the players, the attackers can create. They can blend together and create something out of nothing. They can score goals. I can't believe this. Hey, no. So, like, what is the reason? Like, what is Amorim important? Like, what is the use of Manchester United having manager? What is the use of United having a manager like Ruben Amorim? I don't think Amorim is meant for the Premier League. Guys, it's too early. But this is United. This is a big team. I feel sorry for them. Yes, I'm a Chelsea fan, but this is a disaster to world football. This is a shame to football. Manchester United has sent shame to football. United has sent shame to English big teams. I'm telling you. I am super angry. This cannot happen in our Chelsea. This cannot happen in my Chelsea. If I said it already, Amorim cannot last 1 week in Chelsea. We'll sack him. And all these United players today, I mean all this, after this game, we'll sell all of them. They are not ready to play for the badge. They are not ready to play for Manchester United. How on earth, as I said, as players, Grimsby Town, can't you just bring your best and beat them and go? One player wages can pay all Grimsby Town players, including their tactical bench and their what and what. At the end of the day, they beat Manchester United. They beat Manchester United. Alex Ferguson, Manchester United. Rooney, Manchester United. Ronaldo, Manchester United. This is a big shame to the players. This is a big shame to Ruben Amorim. See, guys, Amorim, if United decide to sack him today, for me, I will not be surprised. I will say, okay, let's give him 10 games. But what we are seeing, this is League 2 team, not Championship, not Premier League, not even the advanced stage of the Carabao stage, not even the advanced stage of the FA Cup. This is just the beginning, and United could not beat Grimsby Town within 90 minutes. Within 90 minutes. As I said, they even score United first. So even if they were to be better opponent, United will not score any goal in this game. If this were to be championship team, not League 2 team or not Premier League team or not any other team. If this team were to be championship team, let me say this season Leicester City or any of the championship team, United will not score a goal. United still have a long way to go. Manchester United this season, see, last season they finished 15th, and if things doesn't change, it means that they are going to be relegated. It means that if you finish 15 in a particular season, a new season began, you sell all the players, you brought in strikers, Benjamin Sesko, Kunoha, Mboma, who, and you are selling Garnacho, said they were the problem, and even it got worse. Now it is worse. That means this season United haven't win a game. This season United haven't win a game against Arsenal. Arsenal beat them. We'll say okay, this is Arsenal. Against Fulham it was draw. I can't believe this. 1 point for United in the Premier League. They are on 16 currently, as I saw the last time. Before you can see United on the league table, unless you click minimum. I'm telling you. And now Grimsby Town. See, they should replace Grimsby Town with Manchester United. They should bring Grimsby Town to the Premier League. They can do better than Manchester United. See, Grimsby Town manager, United should go and bring him. He can do better than Amorim, Ruben Amorim. I can't believe this. And see, guys, Onana, see, sometimes he is a big disappointment to Manchester United. Onana currently is a liability to United. Onana is a disaster. Onana is disappointment. Onana cannot be Manchester United goalkeeper. Look at all the saves, or even look at the goal that they score. Onana could have done better. And even let's come to the penalty, guys. How on earth? First of all, it's a big disappointment on Manchester United. Grimsby Town sending you on penalty. Carabao Cup, 4th round or 3rd round. Grimsby Town sending you on penalty. That is a big shame. And secondly, during the first 5 penalty, kill them, destroy them. It is, first of all, it is a shame that they are sending you to penalty. The first 5 minutes, the first 5 players to play, just finish the game there, win the game there. Onana do some magic save, players score, and I can't believe it. Kurowa came a mess. And the 3rd round, not the 2nd round, the 3rd round, everybody played, the whole team, including goalkeepers, and then they started again. There, United lost the game. On Bremer, all their new signings, disaster. See, Manchester United this season, Charlie, it won't be easy for them. See, a lot of things has to change. And they were saying that the board were the problem, or the problem came from internally. See, what we saw in this game, what showed that the sporting directors are the cause. What we just watch now. Someone should tell me whether the owners is the cause. Like, what is the reason? Like, we can't say that the problem came from the owners or the problem came. This game, what we saw, the players were trying to put the ball at to score, and United sporting director or any of United owners came and just stopped the ball from scoring. No, the players, they didn't deliver. They underrated them, and they didn't give their best. Highest level football, highest team, big team like Manchester United players were earning 250,000, 150,000, 350,000, and in fact, guys, everybody play in this game. Everybody play. See, we no say that because Fernandez wasn't there, because Sesko wasn't there, and Mboma was. Everybody play this game. Their first goalkeeper they even use in this game, Andrew Onana, disaster. See. If I were to be Manchester United owner by this time, this guy, they will not return to England. They will not return to England, including Ruben Amorim. I will tell all of them to go and find teams. They are not serious to play for the batch. They are not serious to play for a team like Manchester United. This is disaster. Penalty. 3 rounds in a penalty against Grimsby Town. At the end, Grimsby Town beat them. At the end, Grimsby Town won the game. They won the game. By the way, Chelsea fans, we are good to go. Because our game against Crystal Palace, we draw that game. United cannot beat Palace. Recently Palace or form Palace, they can't beat them. If you can't beat Grimsby Town, if you can't beat Fulham, why should that you can beat Crystal Palace? So they were laughing at us. Are we happy? Yes, we are happy. Chelsea fans, we are happy. But just that, guys, as I said, it's a big shame to world football. It's a big shame to English Premier League. United has shamed us. Big teams. Should I even say that United is no more a big team last season and this season? This kind of game, it should not even reach 90 minutes. At least 5-0, 6-0. This kind of games. What? That showed that the conference league that we won, and they are saying that, oh, it's conference. United cannot win the conference league. United cannot beat Panathinaikos. The team that will beat in the final, Real Betis, United cannot beat them. What show that United can beat Real Betis if they can't beat Grimsby? So United even play in the UEFA conference, they can't win it. They will not even leave the group stages. I'm telling you. See, United, Ruben Amorim, the players, everybody on that pitch today, shame to all of them. Shame and shame to all of them. See, Ruben Amorim, if United sack him, he deserves that sack. Guys, let me hear from you under the comment section your opinion, your thought, yes, about Manchester United loss. And I'll give you another video on this channel. That video is here. Please click to enjoy them. And another video is coming about Alejandro Garnacho and AC Milan now in talk with Christopher Nkunku to sign him. Let me hear from you under the comment section. Hit the like button, hit the subscription button. Take care, peace.